Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check out a new decentralized exchange on the Arbitrum and Binance Smart Chain network. And currently when we look at the top, decentralized exchanges, we can see things like Curve, Kind Protocol, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. But today we're looking at something very, very special. And if you like your DeFi, if you like your trading, this is an awesome place where you can stake and earn rewards at the same time. So, PancakeSwap back in the day, we saw the amazing historical price data here where it came up from like 30 cents all the way over $40, which was absolutely crazy. 100x potential here. So let's see what can happen with this potential coin. So I'm going to introduce you to SpaceDex, the next big protocol to solve the trust issue between investors and exchanges. Investors trust exchange, and we can see here leverage up to 10x. You're going to get trading tools, copy trading, trade bots, staking, and also lending. So they did have a pre-sale. The coin is now already finished, of course, but we're going to have a little look at this and do a bit of a review on this particular platform. So very, very exciting to say at least, and we're getting some Safe Moon vibes here as well. So straight off the bat, it says here on the website SpaceDex. So what is SpaceDex? SpaceDex is a decentralized perpetual exchange platform that offers low swap fees with no price impact trades. The platform offers a unique multi-asset pool in which users can earn rewards for providing liquidity via market making, swap and leverage trades. It's really easy to buy this coin as well, guys. You see straight away, you can stake the Falcon or you can buy Falcon tokens. Their mission and vision since its creation is to make investing decentralized and accessible, and of course beneficial to everybody. They want SpaceDex to be the destination of choice for those seeking peace of mind when investing and earning rewards. They aim to provide all the features of centralized exchanges with a more user-friendly interface, tools, accessibility, and added privacy, so users will be able to use SpaceDex while maintaining privacy in their transactions and control over their funds. Their goal is to be among the top 100 exchanges in terms of volume within the next 12 months. It's a very big goal right there. So we can see Q4 2022, they've completed all that already. We're now in Q2 2023 where they're working on the copy trading, the trading bots, development of more functions for Space Tools, more on that later. And we can see Q3 2023 and leading up to Q4 2023, there's going to be expansion of SpaceDex to other networks. So we might see it also launch on, like Polygon and stuff like that, which would be super cool. Lending, development of more functions for Space Tools, and then 2024 onwards, SpaceDex wallet. So how about the tokenomics? Always an important factor. Well, we know tokenomics, Falcon BSC is on the Binance Smart Chain, which is really good. We can see there are 77% holders and 22.97% on liquidity. Total for the Arbitrum, 10% partnership, 33% on liquidity, 31% on holders, and 25% on the actual bridge as well. Total Falcon, 5% on partnerships. We're seeing 26% on the liquidity, 54% on the holders, and 12.5% on the bridge. We can also see there is a tax distribution too. Buy tax 0, sell tax 7%, and we can see here stake Falcon 20%, Falcon liquidity pair is 40%, and the marketing is over there at 40% as well. Now what I really like about this coin is that they also did some competitor analysis, which is so important. Now when we look at competitor decentralized exchanges, something we just saw, well, we can see over here, they could tidy this chart up, to be honest, but looking at some of the competitors, you can see they have the lowest commissions at 0.1%. That is absolutely tiny. When you see here impermanent losses, which is always a risky thing when providing liquidity and having liquidity pairs, you can see this is the only exchange that does not have any impermanent losses. So it's really good for those of you that are looking to provide liquidity to the platform, sort of high risk, high reward yielding and staking with really good APRs. We can see impact price, look, no impact on price. Friendly interface, very friendly interface. Apparently the other ones are not friendly. I think it's subjective, but so far this interface is very, very friendly. Copy trading, this is the only platform with copy trading. Audited smart contracts, they have all been audited, which is good. Lending, all of them do offer lending. However, SpaceDex is the only one with leveraged operations and also trading tools as well, which does give it a unique selling point and a bit of an opportunity to penetrate the markets here. Potential users, so institutional investors, which means massive amounts of volume, could get whale buys, professional traders as well, so maybe you're even a beginner. It doesn't matter what your skill level is, anyone can trade on leverage. And you can also see here retail consumers as well, who are going to get low commissions. It's fully decentralized with user-friendly interface as well. So a lot of scope here, big target audience as well. Staking is another thing you can do on SpaceDex, which is always so important in my opinion, guys. It offers great staking opportunities that reward those who hold onto Falcon tokens. So just like if you hold onto Ethereum, hold onto BNB, or Solana or Chainlink, and you're staking it in a protocol, you're getting some juicy APY. It's because you believe that one day the coin might do a 5x or a 10x or 100x in the future. So it makes sense, in my opinion, to put your crypto to work, to be able to capitalize more of the same crypto by doing so. So yeah, that's nice to see that. Trading as well. SpaceDex offers a new way to trade without having to sync personal information with the platform. So that's really good, because when you KYC and you sign up to an exchange, sometimes they ask for your passport or your ID. Hey bro, I'm not trying to go on holiday here. I just want to get trading. You know what I mean? So this is always good as well. We can be fully sort of anonymous, the way decentralized finance should always be. Taxes as well. We aim to ensure that every penny spent by investors is received by them in full. However, there will be selling fee of 10% for the first 3 months and 7% for the next calendar months, followed by a fixed 5% fee for life, which is also pretty good. Social, they've already got their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter all fully integrated, and there are also referral links as well, where you can potentially earn some money just by sharing the links. Liquidity. Add. With the potential to earn 1 Falcon LP for each dollar deposited in any supported token on our liquidity vault. The liquidity fees depend on the vault's liquidity and can reach a maximum of 0.25%, which isn't that bad to be honest. Rewards wise, 70% of all fees from swap trading and leveraged are converted to BNB and distributed among the staked tokens as well. We're also going to see space tools in a moment, which I'll show you a bit more on later. And here is the team. So we can see Luis Fernandez is the CEO with a decade of experience in finance and technology. I mean, perfect. Finance, tech, DeFi, why not? Roberto Rodriguez, who is the COO. Then we have also Nacho Blatt. We have Vicente Chacon and a few other guys as well. So there's a pretty decent team of 6 men here who are, of course, trying to grow this platform as well as they can. They've got Pink Sale. I guess that's where the initial idea was. We also have Saul, who is a very cute looking advisor over there. So that is the face of the website. You can see on the left hand side you also got this drop down menu where you can navigate and explore other areas too. So we're going to look now into SpaceDex. We can earn. This is where you would effectively connect your wallet on the Binance Smart Chain, stake Falcon and Falcon LP to earn rewards. What you would do is you would buy the Falcon right here, where you see right here, buy FLP. You'd convert BNB on your MetaMask wallet or something like that, and you'd acquire some FLP tokens, and then you can stake them on the platform, and you can actually receive rewards up to 35%, which is pretty good to be honest. So yeah, I do like that. They also have a drop down menu here on the SpaceDex earning side of things too. We can also move into the analytics, where we can see the total volume has been 104,000. That looks like it's just over the last 48 hours or so. I believe that is correct. Or is it the last 2 months? It could be the last 2 months. So let's just put the last month and see what happens. Does anything change? Not so much. However, we can see here, just looking at the days, the 1st of April is looking pretty good. There was a lot of minting happening, which is good, and a lot of cumulative frequency and volume. And we can see here a lot of volume once again too. So there is pretty much a lot of volume. TVL is at $50,000, so it's really, really low cap gem, this one, guys. We can see other sort of analytics here and data, such as fees, the overall trading fees. I really like how transparent this is, where you can just see absolutely everything. You can compare prices as well from historical data and data points. We can see trader profits versus loss. We can see open interest, borrowing rate as well. So there's a lot of juicy stuff here, guys. And if you really like your data and figures, this is a great place to look at. We can also see the new users that are joining every single day at the same time, and the user action. So everything is transparent. And even though we do like to be anonymous in terms of KYC, this is good that we can see the full growth of the platform right here. Moving on, we've got referrals. Just like we said, you can get a referral code, share with your friends, whoever else, make some money there. SpaceDex. So this is the basically the long short area where you can actually trade tokens, and you can put in orders as well. So on this particular occasion, we'll be looking at BNB over USD, and they have a few other trading pairs here where you can go long and short. Looks like we can do, USDT as well. So you can also do in Tether and stable coins, which is pretty cool. But yeah, guys, I do like the overall look of this particular platform. It does look very nice and user friendly. Here is the copy trading section, which they are still working on at the moment. But again, we can see the volume. We've got an example of some names here, top users, and the wallet as well. So this is how it is going to look. SpaceDex. Now I quite like this. This is the space tools section, everybody. This is effectively a dashboard that allows you to snipe and prospect in the crypto markets. You can head on over here and you can see some of the hottest pairs, the best daily gainers, the best daily losers at the same time, which really kind of helps you save time as well. So we've got the pair explorer on the left, live new pairs as well. You can see BNB price at the top there, as well as ETH, which they're teasing, which should also come soon. On the buying side of things, you can grab this on PancakeSwap. Of course, there might be a slippage fee as well as the transaction tax, which you should also be careful of. You can also see here, guys, they've got the Surtix SpaceDeck, so we know that this has some level of security here, and it is not going to be some sort of weird sort of scam, which is, in my opinion, good. So they did have a little bit of a major here, but it looks like they have now mitigated and resolved the previous issue, which was incorrect usage of memory when updating decrease order. So it was just something that might seem small, but of course, if it's a red flag, they fixed it. That's great stuff. Moving on, we have the Twitter page of SpaceDex, and we can see this coin got a lot of organic traction already, and you know, it's really nice to see coins that are just focusing on organically growing. Currently 17k followers right here, and there's a lot to be excited about. Just sort of going through, you can see they're really hitting the ground running with that marketing. So maybe you do want to move away from the sort of old legacy decentralized apps and DeFi apps that you're currently using, or DEXs, and maybe even try something like this. And it's really giving some safe moon vibes, and I do think it's pretty cool. But we're also getting like a teaser right here of an application that could also effectively go live at some point in the future. This video is dragging on a bit, but I do want to show you some other things. So we can see, you know, big potential, copy trading, trading bots, deflationary as well, Surtix order, market cap just 1.5 million. So think about it, 10x is 15 million, 100x will be 150 million. A 1000x on this coin would make it a 1.5 billion market cap. So I do think by the next bull run, 10 to 100x is not off the cards. And I might even grab a small bag of this. Safe moon vibes over here as well. So they're of course trying to give us a bit of a nostalgia over that particular event. So I think overall looks good. Here is the price analysis for this particular coin. We can see, in my opinion, you know, every time SpaceDex comes down to these lows of 0.0002, just where we are now, the last time was in March 2023, just on the 6th of March. It does look like a potentially good buyback opportunity. Now, the launch was super strong. It just catapulted all the way up. It did go down in price naturally, but we might see another increase, at least by a 2x in the short term. I'd be very keen to see what might happen by the next crypto bull run, where we could effectively hit prices of 0.001. And even at the golden pocket of 0.00016. So not financial advice, of course. This is all merely speculation. And of course, this is a review of a crypto, and I am trying to be honest about it. I do think, you know, there is potential it could still go down, but I think the likelihood is that it's going to go up in price as the markets flip bullish and as we enter another alt season, and effectively when we see the next crypto bull market as well. So here's a link tree. You can see got loads of different links that you can check out as well, guys. So yeah, make sure you click the link down below, have a look at SpaceDex. Let me know what you think about this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. We can see here it is, rank 5.6k on Falcon. You should now be fully updated with this particular altcoin. And if you like these kind of videos, guys, where I'm introducing new projects to you, new coins, and also doing some fundamental technical analysis and price predictions, subscribe to the channel and make sure you head on down into the Discord at the same time. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon, guys.